Hey everybody, it's Abby, and today I'm here to do kind of like an unboxing sort of video with you. I just placed an order with Sigma, and I am here kind of to do the first impressions sort of thing, and I already opened the box and looked at it, so I kind of knew what to say. So it's not really like first impressions, but I haven't used any of the stuff yet, and so I kind of wanted to share my thoughts with the product with you. So, as always, it came with this little E25 brush, a little travel size, and this is what the box looks like. I thought it was really cute. They've improved on their boxing and stuff. And then, so this is the synthetic brushes here. It came with like a little bow, and yeah. And so the synthetic precision kit came in this little box here. And you open it. Sorry. These 4 little brushes are in it. And they all look like that. This one is the P82. This one is the P80. They come with these little brush guard sort of things. This is the P80. This one is the P86, and this one is the P84. The first thing I noticed when looking at these brushes is that they were just a little bit different from, I had the flat top synthetic Kabuki brush, and I ordered it back when the synthetic line came out. And the brushes, the handles were matte and a little bit heavier, and now they're shiny and not as heavy, a lot lighter. And I like it a lot better this way, with a lot of weight to the brushes, and so I'm a little disappointed in that, but the actual product is so soft, and they're very nice. I really like them, but I'm very disappointed in the handles. And then the big Kabuki came in this one, and they look like the other one. It comes with the F82, then it's the round top one. I'm like getting a pile of like these brush tops. It comes with the flat top one, which is the F80, which is the one I previously had. It comes with the F86, and lastly, the F84. So these have the same dilemma sort of thing. They all have the shiny handles, as you can see, compared to this one, which is not, it kind of has foundation on it, but you can get the difference. These are definitely a lot lighter than this one. Yeah, so I prefer the old handles so much more. But these are very nice, very beautiful brushes. I really like these. I also got the Giant Shape. This is what the box looks like. It's just blue compared to the red. And when you open it, this looks like that. It has the Giant Shape logo on it. And then when you open it up, this is what you see. And it's the Giant Shape thing right there. And then there are all these different flaps for the brush heads to go in. And so you stick it in there through the top, and then you pull it through, and you pull it through, I'll show you. You would pull it through down to there, and then you stick it in this thing. Yeah, I'm not going to do that right now, but yeah, that's what it looks like. That's in the thing. And so that's the full thing. I really want to try it out. I might do a review on this after I've tried it and seen how it dries the brushes. It comes with 2 little pamphlets, how to use the synthetic brushes, and how to use the drying sheet. So that's basically it. I'm kind of disappointed in the difference in the handles and that sort of thing, but I really still love the product, and I don't think I'm going to let this stop me from loving Sigma products, but that's just one thing I'm pretty disappointed about. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe. Bye.